In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Phantom wallet in a few simple steps. If you're having trouble accessing your wallet and need to get back in, you're in the right place. We'll go through the process step by step to ensure you can regain access smoothly and securely. First things first, you'll need to open your Phantom wallet application on your device. Once you have it open, you'll be presented with two options: one to create a new wallet and another to import an existing wallet. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to focus on the option to import an existing wallet, since our goal here is to recover access to the one you previously set up. Go ahead and select the option to import an existing wallet, then click Next. This will take you to a screen where you'll see three different options associated with the recovery of your wallet. Here's a crucial point. You will need to know either your recovery phrase or your private key to proceed. It's important to highlight that if you've forgotten both, unfortunately, there is no automatic recovery option available. However, all hope is not lost. You can try reaching out to Phantom's customer service for further assistance and guidance. If you still have your recovery phrase or your private key, you're in good shape. Simply click on the option that corresponds with the information you have, either recovery phrase or import key. After making your selection, you'll need to input the required data in the fields provided. Ensure that you enter this information carefully, as accuracy is key to a successful recovery. Once you've input your recovery phrase or private key, the application will attempt to locate and restore your wallet. You should see a message indicating that your account has been found or successfully imported. At this point, simply follow the prompts on your screen to complete the process. These prompts will guide you through setting up your wallet again, including any necessary verifications or updates. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Phantom wallet without too much hassle. Remember to store your recovery phrase or private key in a safe and secure place to prevent similar issues in the future. It's always good practice to have a backup, preferably offline, to ensure you can recover your wallet if needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments and I'll do my best to help. See you next time.